You've seen the rest of Iceland, now time for the best of Iceland. So our last day takes us from Vik to Hoffen, and we see some of the most amazing sights on the way.
So it's Vik Blacksand Beach here, and it's a bit quiet, but again weather is not for the beach. But one of the quite good activity you might want to do is horse riding. You can do horse riding on the beach, and it's quite cool, like if you like horse riding, a bit of nice photo. Behind me there is a Halsan of Salir Caves and Black Beach. It seems quite nice structure, like a really big stones and a very nice view from the other side as well. Current here is very high and dangerous, so they advise not to swim. Again, weather is not very good for swimming either. Let's go and explore the caves. Going to Skaftafellsjökull now. It's a glacier and it's about 20-30 minutes walk. We're just going to see how it looks. Let's go.
Hopefully there's snow.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for.
Okay, so we're trying to reach this spot, but the hike has to go through all of this. Quite a hike, right?
Yeah, it's good. It looks really pretty. Ice Lagoon, and weather is very good as well. It's we can see nice sunset and all the snowy mountains behind Ice Lagoon. We can see all the nice ice plates, like a different structure of the ice, and it looks really pretty. There's some ice crystals near the beach as well, and hopefully we'll get a very good drone footage from here as well. So let's go and explore. parked at Diamond Beach, and it's our last stop of the day. It's already 10 o'clock, but it's still like a call of daylight. Generally, sun doesn't set here, so like even around 2 o'clock at night, it's still like a bit of a brightness. So it doesn't look like it's too late, but it's already 10 o'clock, and hopefully we'll be able to see some ice crystal at Diamond Beach. Let's go. Wow, so cold.
So what are you holding?
Ice. It's going from here.
Shall we take it home?
We can't.
Okay, so how did you find our time in Iceland?
It was very good. I think I really enjoyed. 6-7 days for a South Iceland road trip was, I think, perfect time as well. We had enough time to explore everything. I quite enjoyed it. It was very good. But we might come again in the winter time for Northern Lights. But apart of that, it was very good.
Yep. Have you got a message for our
Yes.
audience?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
See you later. Are we going for a cave? So what's called will they?
With Jalli.
Okay, what do you think?